Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making stir-fried veggie bread. For this we require 2 teaspoons of French bean, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium-sized sliced onion, half a teaspoon of green chili, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped capsicum, 2 teaspoons of green pea, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tomato finely chopped, salt to taste, red chili as per your taste, and cumin seed 1 teaspoon, and 6 slices of bread. So let's start making stir-fried veggie bread. First, take a pan, add 1.5 teaspoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and let it crackle. Now add 1 medium size sliced onion and cook till onion is transparent. Our onion is transparent now, so we will add half a teaspoon of green chili. You can use as per your taste. If you want little hot, you can add more chili. Now add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for a couple of seconds. And then we will add 2 teaspoons of French beans and 2 teaspoons of green pea and cook for half a minute. Then add 2 small size chopped tomato and cook till tomato is soft. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of water and mix it again. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of capsicum. We are adding capsicum at last because we don't want to overcook this. And now we will add 6 slices of bread and mix it quite well, so all the masala, all the veggie coated over the bread, and cook it for a minute continuously stirring or mixing. Now add half lime juice and mix it well again, and your stir-fried veggie bread is ready to eat. You can use it as a breakfast. It's quite a healthy because we have used lots of green vegetable. So please try stir-fried veggie bread.